New in Unity 6.3, Smarter Render Graph Helper Passes. The Render Graph utility passes now support more use cases and offer greater flexibility when creating full screen and copy effects. This includes the following. Add Blit Pass now returns a builder so you can further customize the pass to your needs. You can now blit directly to the back buffer, which enables simpler full screen effects. Add Blit Pass and Add Copy Pass are now used internally in Full Screen Pass Renderer feature and Copy Color Pass when applicable. Null validation ensures misconfigured Blit passes fail early and clearly. WebGL2 and GLES3 fallbacks are handled correctly when required. And added depth blit support, so you can now blit depth data to both depth and color textures with automatic MSAA resolve when needed. And that was the Smarter Render Graph Helper Passes section of Unity 6.3.